What's up, YouTubers? It's your gal Linz the Goodra. And today, I am going to show you to voice a character. First, go to fakeyou.ai. Then, go to voice and go to settings to make sure you're allowed to use microphone. Next, turn on the microphone. And finally, search for fictional characters and type their names correctly. Heck, don't ask why I'm using SpongeBob SquarePants in the first place.
Hi, my name is SpongeBob SquarePants. Hi, my name is SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hi, my name is SpongeBob SquarePants.
And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more of my upcoming videos.